Hello everyone, welcome to the another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox the power adapter extension cable. If you have bought or any new Apple products, so the MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, and you find that the extension cable is not included and you have to buy it separately. Here you can see also a infographic showing you how this can be used. I suggest you to purchase the extension cable because it has grounding into it. So if you just want to make sure that your laptop does not discharge any kind of electricity due to poor grounding, use it. So in the box we have the cable and also info material regarding the power adapter extension cable, how it should be used, and information on the safety information. So this is the Apple 1 year limited warranty accessory. I mean, since I'm in Germany, this is for 2 years, even though Apple states 1 year. As in Germany it's always 2 years. Yeah, so this is the cable. As I mentioned, the grounding. So in EU Germany, you can see the grounding is here on the other side, and also here you can see a hole. So this should be kept on the other side of your charging adapter. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.